takoyaki stand, which I guess I'm not too surprised because there's so much variety and diversity of food here. And there's a lot of Japanese restaurants too, so I figured I'd try it out. It's pretty cheap, about $2 or $3, so check it out here. Let's see if it's anywhere near how I had it in Japan. Definitely as hot, like temperature hot, as you would get in Japan. Oh god, it's hot. Pretty good. I approve. Try some of this called egg waffle. Looks like a waffle, but more like an egg, little small eggs here. Look at the sauce. It tastes like a waffle. Not bad. It's actually, I'm surprised, very hollow inside. Interesting. It's pretty good. Nice little breakfast treat. Here's another breakfast item. I don't really know what it is, but it's really spicy. Oh, there's a fish ball. It's a fish ball covered in a lot of spicy sauce. Nice way to wake up for breakfast. Squid. Alright, don't mind the background. I am not in a dangerous alley. I'm here because I found some street food, some octopus on a stick, grilled. Good. Good, don't mind the background. That's not representative of what I'm eating, which is delicious octopus. Grilled in some kind of sauce. Okay, this time I got a grilled squid. I know, very similar to the octopus I just got, but almost like a bad idea wearing this white shirt, eating this, but I don't care. It's an older shirt. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's so good. Ah. I'm gonna keep moving on. Alright, I caved again, and I went back to the food stall that I was at earlier where I got the grilled octopus. This time I got the, it's like a grilled chicken. Well, it's like a chicken that's stuffed with rice. So basically it's a chicken wing stuffed with rice, if you look over here. That's right, it's really plump, right? And you're like, why is it so plump? Because there's rice stuff inside. So let's try it out. Oh. There's like sausage stuff in here. Also, not just rice. I did not expect that. So good. Oh my god, it's so good. Look at it. It's not just rice. The rice itself is flavored with whatever the chicken is filled with, or put on it, but there's also like sausage in here. That's amazing. Wow. Alright. It's gonna get really messy here, so I'm gonna turn the camera off, but if you find this on the streets, get it. It is awesome. It is. Did not expect all that to be inside. Alright, I passed by one of these earlier and I didn't get it because we were in a hurry, but I think I'm going to stop by for this one. I got my pan-fried, what's it called? Pan-fried buns over here. First, without anything. Oh, there's soup inside. I didn't know that. There's no soup inside. Be careful. And the key is to open it up first and then take a little bit of that soup out. That was definitely the right way to go. And now that I have the one open, I'm gonna put some chili oil in there. Alright, those fried buns were pretty good. Again, did not expect soup to come out of that. I didn't really see them make it necessarily, so I just assumed it was just like a kind of like a gyoza or a pot sticker. Didn't expect the soup to be inside. So anyway, be careful when you eat it because it'll just gush out everywhere. Sorry, there's a blue man over here. That's robot blue man. Anyway, recommend it if you can get a chance. It's only like 30 Hong Kong dollars, so about maybe $4 US. Not bad. But all right, I'm gonna head back to the hotel now because I've eaten way too much and I've spent way too much money. Gonna rest up a little bit and then meet up with my family over there, and then we'll get dinner, and then who knows what we'll do. Man, it is really hard walking over here, not because it's so crowded, but I keep getting distracted by all these, not just street food, but all the restaurants around here. You're just walking any alley, there's like 20 restaurants to pass by, a lot of them just Japanese food, and I love Japanese food. So, it's really hard to walk by. Everything is so tempting. But I walked by, didn't stop. Had self-control there, just that one time, or several times. But now I think it's a clear path from here to the hotel. Nothing else stopping my way.